Wait. Hold on, 1 second, hold on. Before you go and watch the tutorial... Actually, you know what? You can go. It's fine. I have nothing. I thought I had something. I just don't. So... What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be showing you a card trick that used to be one of my go-tos from back in the day. And also, one more thing, if you guys actually want to purchase these Jack Sailor playing cards, I know they're not a whole lot of places you can get them, but you can go check out the link in the description, and you can get those from there. So, that being said, let's do it. Alright, now before we get started, if you guys have not yet seen the performance, I'll put a link on the screen description. You guys can go check that out, then come here. But if you've already done that, a little bit of background on this trick. This is known as Sympathetic Aces by John Scarn. And let's go ahead and break this down. Okay, so first things first, when you're doing this trick, make sure to take the cards out of the box or the trick will not work as needed. Okay, so first thing we got to do is go ahead and take out the 4 aces. So, bam, look at that. Got the 4 aces right there for my performance video. Now, you're going to take these 4 aces and put them in 10th, 11th, 12th, and 13th positions, depending on how you want to, reveal in what order. Again, it doesn't really matter, but if you're doing something on top of just the regular 4 ace reveal and you want the order to matter, then you can go ahead and change up the order. Now, you want to get these cards 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th position. So you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards, and you put them right on top. And now you're all set up and ready to go with this trick. Now, of course, since this trick is kind of a setup card trick, not kind of, it is a setup card trick, but since it is a setup card trick, you want to ensure that the cards do genuinely look shuffled when you begin this trick. So I have a couple of false cut shuffles you guys can learn. I'll put the link on the screen description, all that good stuff. But you should always make sure if you're doing any kind of setup card trick that you need to ensure in the spectator's mind there is no way this deck could be set up. Alright, so let's just say I start off, give the deck a shuffle. Okay, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I still have my 1, 2, 3, 4 aces right there. Okay, so once this is done, I'd like to hand the deck over to the spectator and tell them to pick a number between 10 and 20. One thing you want to actually make sure of is they do not actually pick the number 10 or 20. You want to stick between 11 to 19. All right, so again, between 10 and 20 does not include 10 and 20. Now let's say they pick the number 12, like I started in the trick. So you want them to go ahead and deal off 12 cards. Again, the more that happens in the spectator's hands, the more magical and impactful the effect will be at the very end. So 12 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now we have these 12 cards here. Now you tell the spectator you're going to take the individual digits of 12, so 1 and 2, add those together. You get 3, so you're going to deal off 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. And of course that card is going to be an ace, but of course you don't have to flip that over to show them. You take that card, put it on over to the side. Okay, now you're going to take the cards that you were initially dealing, so this should be 9 cards, I believe. You're going to take these pile of 9 cards, put them on top of the 2 additional cards that you had dealt down here. Now you take this whole thing and put it on top of the rest of the deck. Now, a few recommendations I actually have to continuing this trick is you want to kind of ensure the deck is mixed up or shuffled again or cut or something like that. This way it doesn't seem like you're only taking from the top. So I like to give the deck a false cut at this point. False cut given. And now you'll see I still have those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards. And that's when I have the remaining 3 aces. So now you go ahead and repeat this process 3 more times. So let's just, maybe I can speed through this. Let's say they pick the number 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2. That's an ace. Put that over here. Put this on top. Put that over to the side. Let's say we go with 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, that's clearly not the card. Okay, 19. Now you add 1 and 9, you get 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's an ace. Put that over to the side. Put this on top of this. Put that over here one more time. Let's say 11, just to make life easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Add 1 and 1, you get 2. 1, 2. Put this on over. Oh, I lied. Take this, put that right here. Put this on over here. Close that up. Take all these cards. Reveal. Aces in order. 1, 2, 3, and 4 aces. So just a few performance tips as I was talking about earlier. You want to ensure the deck is shuffled at the beginning, and of course you don't want them to shuffle because it's set up, so you want to do some kind of false shuffle. You want to have the deck in the spectator's hands as much as possible, and you also want to give the deck some false cuts between each spectator. And of course, the more spectators, so like 4 spectators, the better. 1 spectator is good, but if you could do this for multiple people, you know, get a number from each of them, that's again going to build up the effect of this trick. And now real quick, if you guys want the link to where I got these playing cards, because I know these are really, really hard to come by, I'll put the link in the description. You guys can go check that out. And yeah, then you'll have these cards too. I think that's pretty much how it works. So anyway, if you don't want to do that, go check out that video right there because it's fantastic. And I'll see you there. Peace out.